Welcome to the ISE 2026 Drone Show, lighting up the Barcelona skyline from the South Axis at Theatre Barcelona. Across 3 nights from the 3rd to the 5th of February, 600 drones take to the air in a synchronized display, transforming the sky every evening at 6:30. The drone system and programming are delivered by Lang AG, with visuals and MuxWave LED screen technology from Real-Time Department. Refreshments are sponsored by DAM, helping to set the scene for one of ISE's standout outdoor experiences. It's a multi-sensory spectacle combining drones, light and live performance. On Tuesday night, the show featured an opera singer accompanied by violin and piano. Wednesday introduced visuals from digital artist Jeroen van der Most, adding another creative layer to the performance. Together, the ISE Drone Show celebrates innovation, creativity and the technology that is shaping the AV industry.